Question number 7 says that Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometers from B and B is 12.7 kilometers from C. So here in the figure we can write the distance between A and B as 7.5 kilometers and the distance between point B and point C as 12.7 kilometers. Now Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometers from A and C is 11.8 kilometers from D. So again in the figure we can write the distance between A and D as 9.3 kilometers and the distance between point D and C as 11.8 kilometers. Now we have to find who travelled more and by how much. So for that we'll first find out what is the total distance which is travelled by Dinesh. So we'll write it as a sum of AB and BC. We'll substitute the values for both of these. So that is 7.5 plus 12.7 kilometers. Adding these two decimal numbers, we get the sum as 20.2 kilometers. This is the total distance which is travelled by Dinesh. Now we will be calculating what is the total distance which was travelled by Ayub. So that can be written as a sum of AD and BC. So we'll be substituting these values. That is 9.3 plus 11.8 kilometers. Adding these two decimal numbers, we get the sum as 21.1 kilometers, which is the total distance travelled by Ayub. Now we can clearly see that Ayub travelled more than Dinesh. Now to find how much more did he travel than Dinesh, we'll be finding the difference between the distances travelled by both of them. So the difference that we have will be 21.1 minus 20.2. Subtracting these two will give us the difference as 0.9 kilometers. That is, Ayub travelled 0.9 kilometers more than Dinesh. And this is how we solve question number 7.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.